You may have heard of many designs inspired by animals. For example, kingfisher beaks have inspired the design of high-speed trains to reduce speed and noise. The incredible strength of spider silk inspires biomaterials, and dragonfly wings influence airplane wing design. In this study, Chinese scientists were inspired by the lobster eye, and the purpose of this design is to observe space experiments that cannot be done on Earth. For example, observing matter being ripped apart and swallowed by black holes, collisions of extremely dense dead stars called neutron stars, and supernova explosions of massive dying stars. The name Chinese scientists gave to this probe is the Einstein Probe. Because black holes and gravitational waves are predictions of Einstein's theory of general relativity, the satellite is named after the great scientist. The events that the Einstein Probe will study are short-lived. They often appear for a moment, then disappear and never recur in the same place. So, to detect these X-rays, a telescope would have to be very lucky or be able to view the universe from an extremely wide angle. The Einstein Probe has the latter, thanks to its primary instruments. The first of these, the Wide-Field X-ray Telescope, has an exceptionally wide view of the sky, thanks to its modular design, inspired by the lobster's eye. So, what is the difference between lobster eyes and other creatures, and why lobster eyes were chosen? The eyes of these crustaceans have evolved differently from those of other creatures. They perceive light through reflection rather than refraction. Each lobster eye is a compound eye composed of thousands of tiny ommatidia, or facets. Imagine a honeycomb of light-sensitive cells. The lobster eye looks like this too. These aspects work together to provide a wide field of view around the lobster's head, almost 360 degrees. Also forget night vision goggles. Lobsters are the true kings of the low-light show. Their compound eyes are highly sensitive to even the slightest glare, making them perfectly adapted to the depths of the ocean where sunlight is scarce. WXT utilizes hundreds of thousands of square fibers that direct light to its detectors, giving the Einstein Probe the unique ability to observe nearly a tenth of Earth's celestial sphere in a single glance. When the spacecraft detects an interesting or unknown X-ray source, it can relay the discovery to astronomers around the world, who can then train their telescopes on that source. However, this does not mean that the Einstein Probe should move towards a new target. The spacecraft's second primary payload is the Tracking X-ray Telescope, which can zoom in on X-ray sources identified by WXT and examine them in much greater detail. The new telescope also gets a boost from its location about 370 miles, 595 kilometers, above Earth and our planet's orbit. The Einstein Probe will complete one orbit of the Earth in approximately 96 minutes, and will see nearly all of our planet's night sky in just 3 orbits. In summary, the Einstein Probe is a clever design inspired by the lobster eye. Thanks to its unique wide viewing angle, we will be able to capture X-ray light from collisions between neutron stars and learn what causes some of the gravitational waves we detect on Earth. Yeah, we've come to the end of another science video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.